Hello, this is Adam, the certified car seat technician and baby gear expert with infant, toddler, youth, and the pump station and nursery. And today I'm going to answer the question, why your Doona car seat is not attaching to the base. This is a common question I get asked, and a lot of the times it's because when you refit the shoulder straps, you're not going underneath the metal bar. So right now I've got my Doona, it's not clicking into the base. If you turn the car seat over, you're going to see that the shoulder straps here are going over the metal bar instead of under the metal bar. So if you've recently redid your shoulder straps, this may be why the base is not connecting to the car seat. So what you're going to do is you're going to loosen the straps. You're going to turn the car seat around. You're going to disconnect the shoulder straps from the metal clip. You're going to put the straps under the bar instead of over. Do the same thing for both sides and make sure nothing gets twisted or tangled. Now that the shoulder straps are going underneath that bar, the car seat should click into the base, no problem. There we are. And you're all good. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.